What are neurons, and how do they wire an infant brain? Imagine tiny messengers inside your brain that are constantly talking to each other. These messengers are called neurons, and they are the building blocks of how our brain works. Neurons are special nerve cells that send and receive signals, helping us think, feel, move, and learn. Each neuron has parts that do different jobs: dendrites, which catch signals from other neurons; a cell body, which processes these signals; an axon, which carries signals away; and axon terminals, which pass signals to other neurons. In an infant's brain, neurons start wiring together very early. They do this by forming connections called synapses. Think of synapses as tiny bridges between neurons. When a neuron wants to send a message, it creates an electrical impulse called an action potential that travels down the axon to the axon terminal. There, it releases chemicals called neurotransmitters. These chemicals cross the small gap of the synapse and attach to receptors on the next neuron's dendrites. This process allows the message to keep moving from one neuron to another. During early brain growth, neurons are busy making lots of synapses. This period is called synaptogenesis. The brain creates a dense network of connections very quickly. As the infant experiences the world, some connections get stronger if they are used often. Others that are rarely used get pruned away, making the network more efficient. This process helps develop skills like talking, walking, and understanding emotions. Different types of neurons play specific roles. Sensory neurons carry information from the senses like sight and touch to the brain. Motor neurons send commands from the brain to muscles to make movement happen. Interneurons connect neurons within the brain and spinal cord to help process complex information. The wiring of an infant's brain is shaped by what they experience. Interacting with caregivers, exploring new sights and sounds, and responding to stimuli all help from and strengthen these neural connections. This early wiring sets the stage for all future learning and development. So, neurons are the tiny cells that communicate through electrical and chemical signals. In infants, they rapidly connect through synapses, creating a network that grows stronger with experience. This process is a mix of genetic programming and environmental input, building the foundation for everything the brain will do later in life.